Hey crochet lover, welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are you all? I hope you all fine, enjoying your life well. In today's video, I'm excited to share with you amazing style crochet earrings designs ideas for ladies, girls. Hope so you like this video. Hope so you like this all the designs, all the ideas. So please watch this video till end, and please tell me in comment section which type of new video you want to see in my YouTube channel. I will upload it next video about your comment. Hook on accessories, crochet earrings ahead, stitch a statement, easy crochet earrings designs ideas, roller fantasy crochet earrings designed with floral patterns, geometric chain, create earrings with modern shapes and different fruit shapes and different cartoon characters and different flowers and different patterns. You create and wear your favorite earrings. Let's get started. Crochet earrings with me. Step by step we will create a beautiful handmade pair. Add some details. Experiment with color, yarn and embellishments. Make them match crochet earrings to complement your outfit. Mix and match, combine different designs and color. Add some sparks, crochet earrings with different details. And that's a wrap. Your crochet earrings are complete. Thanks for stitch along with me. Happy hooking and stay stylish. Hope so you like this all the different design and different collection. If you want more information videos, more different informative videos and different detail ideas, so please visit my YouTube channel and watch my more different ideas about different accessories, different ideas, different collections. So please watch my more different ideas till end and keep praying for me. May Allah will live long, stay happy and stay blessed for me. If you want to see more ideas about crochet work and knitting work, so please tell me in comment section which type of new video you want to see in my YouTube channel. I will upload it next video about your comment, and please do not forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell to alert my daily routine videos that I have uploaded daily for you. Thanks for joining us today, and be share your creativity with us on social media account with hashtag. Hope so you like these all the different design and enjoying this video. Take care viewers, see you in the next video. Hope so you like all the crochet earrings designs ideas. See you in the next video. Hope so you like this video and share with your friends, relative, customers and crochet work experts and others. Take care, okay viewers. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.